So guys, I am unpacking this wet and dry vacuum cleaner which I ordered, and as you can see it came in one big package, and in this package was another package and when I opened this it was so sweet inside. You know, like I never imagined that they can package like vacuum cleaner in so small package. So I received like this one, and then you see there are 1, 2, 3 pieces. So I put it out, and as you can see, this vacuum cleaner is also for dry and wet surface, and here inside was the rest of important pieces for the vacuum cleaner, like wheels for down, you see, and this one. So I will try to you see here in this package, I will try to find out how to build it to this. Yes, I like it so much. It's so sweet. I was expecting it's much bigger, but it is small and it is good.